kind of invention that we have done in our lab, we believe it's going to revolutionize the manufacturing industry. This is a single shot manufacturing of dissimilar materials, hybrid materials. We have seen one process technology for manufacturing metals, one for composites, one for polymers. But we have integrated all of those things, and we said we're going to use an existing infrastructure, but we can actually manufacture these multi-material structures using a single shot method. The new term that we call it as affordable lightweighting, because if you provide a lightweighting solution to transportation industry, but it's going to cost up a lot of dollars, no consumer is going to buy.
We can reduce the cost of the lightweighting in this case, because hybrid structure, especially metal and polymer, it's one of the effective approach to do lightweighting in several industries, especially in automotive industry.
The future of transportation is definitely going to be a multi-material structure. It's not going to be a single material. So when you take all of this into consideration, there's a lot of cycle time role that you have to play around. So this new technology that we have invented in the lab is not only going to enable that reduction in the cycle time, but it also will have significant cost savings.
The output is practical and attractive for industry, so it makes me happy and it's very encouraging.